Inside Elon Musk's futuristic foldable house, Boxabl unveiled. Imagine living in a home that's affordable, efficient, and can be set up in less than a day. Welcome to the future of housing, the Boxabl Casita. And yes, Elon Musk is living in one. You're watching Mind Over Matter, where we explore innovations that push the boundaries of what's possible. What is Boxabl? Boxabl is a revolutionary housing company that creates foldable, prefabricated homes designed for quick assembly. The company's flagship model, the Casita, offers a compact, fully functional living space that's eco-friendly and affordable. At 375 square feet, the Casita costs around $50,000, is built from durable, energy-efficient materials, and can be set up in less than an hour. Elon Musk's connection. So, how does Elon Musk fit into all this? In 2021, it was revealed that Musk had downsized from his mansions to live in a Boxabl Casita near SpaceX's Texas facilities. This sparked public interest in the tiny home movement, especially with Musk's focus on sustainability and affordability. Why Boxabl is revolutionary? Boxabl homes aren't just for billionaires, they're designed to address the global housing crisis. These homes provide a faster, cheaper alternative to traditional construction methods. With skyrocketing real estate prices and environmental concerns, Boxabl homes are a game-changer. Elon Musk has long been a visionary in industries like transportation and energy. His adoption of Boxabl homes could signal a shift in how we think about living spaces, especially as he works on ambitious projects like Mars colonization. Could Boxabl be part of humanity's future in space? Whether it's reducing housing costs on Earth or building sustainable habitats in space, Boxabl is paving the way for a new era of living. And if Elon Musk sees potential in it, the rest of the world may soon follow. What do you think? Would you live in a Boxabl home? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Over Matter for more videos on the innovations shaping our future. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Mind Over Matter for more insights on how technology is transforming the world.